Ma'am, like at the end of the class, can we make a quiz on this chapter?
Yes, Nana, we will go with it because last quizzes only, practice questions only makes you speed and everything. We will go regularly, we will go at least 10 to 15 minutes, we'll go with the practice test, review test. Yes, children, you are able to see the questions? Children, are you able to see the part?
Yes, ma'am.
You see, children, right?
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Yes. The first question is quite interesting question. What is the total length in centimeters of the edges of the block? How many edges a cuboid having, children? Please. How many edges the cuboid is having? Number of edges.
12.
12. Very good. 12. But here, 4 centimeters length means 4 centimeters width and 5 centimeters height is given. That means 4 edges are belongs to 4 centimeters. 4 into 4 is not 4 plus 4 plus 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16. 16 again, one more face is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. 5 5s are 25. 32 plus 25, how much, children? 25. 5, not 5 plus 5. How many edges of 5
Ma'am,
sides?
52, ma'am.
How you are getting, Nana? Just add
And
up
the
all
answer
the...
is 52.
Correct. Answer is 52, correct. How you are getting, Ridhima, here? Yes, how you are getting?
Ma'am, my first in paper I drew all the edges
Ma'am,
instead
then
of
Yes,
we,
very
figure.
good.
ma'am, we added all the
Here,
sum.
Ma'am, so then
very
we'll
good.
have
Yes,
4
correct.
sides
Ridhima,
which
you
are
are doing
equal
it is
to
correct.
4
Yes.
sides which are equal to 5 centimeter and 8 sides
And
which are equal to 4 centimeter.
so 8 into 4 plus 5 into 4, right?
I'm so 32
5
plus
fours.
20 is 52.
Right, correct. 5 fours are 20, 8 fours are 32, 52. Total together is 52. Any doubt, Nitya here? Nitya.
Ma'am, like some questions I have doubt, like in the exam. Like,
Okay, we will go with that. Don't worry, children. We will go. What is the volume in cubic centimeters of the block? Volume means LBH, right, children? Area volume formula is length, breadth, height. Multiplication of length multiplied with breadth multiplied with height.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
it's 80 centimeter cube.
Right, correct, children. Correct. 5 fours are 20, 24s are 80. 80 cubic centimeters. Answer sometimes centimeter square, 80 centimeters square will give 80 cubes, and both you just see carefully and put the option, children. Somewhere I gave that part of question also. Because the frequent errors, what you are doing, I will everything that part I'm doing. See here. 3 inches length. The cube means all sides are square shape. So cube means 6 inches, 3 inches of each side. Find its volume.
27 inch cube.
27 inch cube.
3 cube means 27 in cube. Right. Next. Sterile box of 12 centimeters tall and the area of base is 7 centimeters square.
84 centimeter cube.
Why, very good, Nana, because you just area base multiplied with the height only. A base area is given as 7 centimeters square. 7 into 12 is nothing but 84 centimeter. Is it now you just see, is it centimeter square or centimeter cube, children?
It's centimeter cube.
Very good. Volume is always be cubic units, right?
Cube.
Next. What is the volume of rectangular prism? Yes, what is the volume, children, here?
24 cubic unit.
4 multiplied with how much, children? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
3. Ma'am, but like I have a doubt in this question, ma'am.
Nana, you just see length is 4 units. Width is how much? Width is 2 units, and height is
3
height
units.
is 3 units. You need to find volume means length multiplied with breadth multiplied with height. Here, Lalit, you can take square cubic. These are unit cubes. Like each unit has 1 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4 units. 4 is a length. Breadth is 2 units and height is 3 units. Come on, 4 into 3 into 2. 4 3s are 12. 12. Right, 24 cubic units, not square units, children. Why? Because it's volume, so you have to keep 24 cubic units. Option B is correct. If you take option C is also 24 is there, but it's a square units. But here it's cubic units. Volume is always in cubic units, right? Next part, sixth bit. What is total surface area in square centimeters of the block? Total TSA, Nana. This is cuboid. TSA of cuboid.
2 centimeters square, ma'am.
But here measures are given, right? Ridhima, is it a cube or cuboid?
Ma'am, it's a cuboid.
Right. Why measures are given? Of course, if looking picture shows like that, of course, but here the your dimensions are given differently, children. So it's a cuboid. You need to find the TSA of cuboid. I want answer from who are going to give. Bhavya. Bhavya. What is TSA of cuboid, Bhavya? TSA of cuboid. 2H into LB plus BH plus LH, right?
Ma'am, it's 2 into LB.
Yeah, 2 multiplied with LB plus BH plus LH.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the value after substituting that LB means you can take it as 4 plus 4
Ma'am,
into
it's
4.
112 centimeters square.
16. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 20. 40. 40 plus 16. 56. 56 twice means 112. Right, right, Nana. It's 112 centimeters square. Option D is correct. TSA will be area is square units. 112. Next, seventh bit. What is surface area? Yes. Cube having an edge 6 mm.
In this it is
Surface area of
6a
cube.
square.
Very good. Nitya, here the surface area of cube is given. They didn't mention anything, means you just go with. No, here what is the surface area of cube having an edge? Yeah, it's also same. So surface area means you can take as 6a square, TSA, total surface area. 6 into 6 square, 36. 36 into 6, 216 mm square. 216.
Ma'am, that's what I pressed, ma'am, but it's wrong. That answer is wrong, ma'am.
What is given here?
Ma'am, they have given
Is
the
it?
correct answer is B.
No, it's no 216
Ma'am,
only,
I've
children. Why?
written that
Because
it's D.
you are
Yes,
correct,
ma'am.
children. Absolutely, you are correct. 1 minute, I will change right now. Which bit it is? Question number
Ma'am,
7.
Yes, ma'am. That's why I had a doubt. That's why
Okay. Maybe you will score one more mark, children. I think you will score here. Oh, so sorry, children. Maybe by mistake it happens, but you are correct. You are correct. Next one. Next part, you just see, children. Question number 8. The surface area of cuboid shaped box having length, breadth, height dimensions are given. You need to find the surface area of a cuboid. What is surface area of cuboid? Same formula, children, but here the values are little bigger values. That's nothing similar to previous.
3,200 plus 800 plus 1600 into 2, which is 1120.
That's all. All right, children. All right. LB plus BH plus LH you do, then you just make it as twice the sum. Next, the formula to find surface area. Surface area 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH, right? The surface area of cube whose edges are equal to 3 centimeters. Yeah, surface area of cube means you can go with the 6a square, right, children?
Ma'am, is 54 square centimeter.
9
Ma'am,
into
3 into
6.
3 into 6, ma'am, because 3 square into 6. So 9 into 6 is 50.
54 squares, right now. Next, if radius of cylinder is given, children, height of cylinder is given, you need to find the TSE of cylinder. We know that 2 pi r into r plus h. TSE of cylinder is nothing but 2 pi r into r plus h. Pi value, you know, 22 by 7. R value is given as 4 centimeters. H value is given as 10 centimeters. You just substitute in the formula, children. Only you need to remember the formulas here. Yes. Option?
Ma'am, like I had
Option
a
B.
doubt, ma'am, like if you, ma'am, like
11th
surface,
bit, left.
total surface area, right?
2 pi r into r plus h, Nana. They're asking about the total surface area, right? The total
No, ma'am, not in
surface
this.
area.
Ma'am, like in cube, they like find the surface area. So we have to find total surface area, right? 6
Yes,
square.
Nana. They didn't mention anything, means go with the TSA only. If they particularly mentioned like LSA or TSA, according to that, but nothing is mentioned, means go with the TSA. Next. The curved surface area of right circular cylinder. Whatever the cylinder, right circular cylinder or cylinder, both are very similar, children. Don't confuse. Again, ma'am, what is curved surface area? Curved surface area is nothing but LSA, Nana. Both are same. LSA of cylinder or curved surface area of cylinder is 4.4 square centimeters. Find the radius of the base 0. So the height of the cylinder you're supposed to find out. Nice question, children. Actually, it is. We will do on screen this one. Curved surface area of cylinder is given 4.4 square centimeters and radius is given as 0.7. You need to find the height of the cylinder. What is the formula, you know, children? What is curved surface area? CSA or LSA, both are same, children. Both are same. LSA means lateral surface area. CSA means curved surface area. Both are same. So here what is given? CSA is given. What? How much is given, children? CSA? How much is given CSA? 4.4 square centimeters.
4.4 and the radius is 0.7. Ma'am, so the formula
4
is
square centimeter. What is radius is given, children?
0.7.
Radius 0.7 centimeters. Now you need to find the height of cylinder is question mark. To find, you know that what is LSA of cylinder, children? Total surface area means we know that TSA is nothing but what you know 2 pi r into r plus h. But I said this part you just remove this part, you only this, if you take this only this part and this 2 pi r h is nothing but a CSA 2 pi r h. So you want to find out the h value. You don't know, h is unknown. LSA you know that as 4.4 and 2 into 22 by 7 into r value as given as 0.7. 0.7. H you don't know, as it is you put it. To find the value of a h, you just simplify the part, children. If you simplify the part, how you will get?
Ma'am,
Yes.
are we discussing the question paper now?
2 into
Yes, Harshita. Yes, Harshita. Children,
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
divided. 7 is divided. Please, 7 is divided. If you transpose to other side, it come under multiplication. 4.4 multiplied with 7. The rest of numerator part will come under denominator. 2 into 22 into 0.7. Here one decimal place is there. Here one decimal place. You can remove that part, children, directly. You can write it as You can directly for it's nothing but 7. Everything will be cancelled, children. 2 into 2, 7 into 7. Right, ma. 1. Very good. 1 centimeter. Simplification part only takes little. Rest everything is easy, children. Simplification also more easy here. Because why I removed decimal places and writing normal number means in numerator I have 1 decimal place, in denominator also I have only 1 decimal place. Balancing decimal places are there means you can neglect your decimal point and do further simplification. Next part. Formula for curved surface area of cylinder. Yes, curved surface area, just now we did 2 pi RH. Right. Which of the following is the formula finding the area of square? Yes, square. Area of perimeter of rectangle. Children, here perimeter, they're not asking. They're not asking about area, children. Most of the students, they kept area. Perimeter means boundary length, length of boundary. 8 2 times 16, 6 2 times 12. 16 plus 12 is 20. 16 plus 12 and
ma'am, we don't need to even calculate because the options are 48 feet. That's area we know. Others only 28 feet.
Exactly. So 16 plus 12 is 28 feet. That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Here 16th bit.
24 centimeters.
Right, children. Base into height. No. Here find the base into height. Base is because parallel length in parallelogram, parallel sides are equal. So base is also 6 centimeters. 6 into 4. 6 fours are 24 centimeters square. Here, which number represent the height of parallelogram? Height means perpendicular distance. That's a perpendicular where it makes 1.8 meters is the perpendicular. Yes, we can't take a 2 meters, Nana. It's not a height. Why? Because height is always altitude. Altitude means perpendicular distance drawn from the side.
1.8.
1.8, correct. Next, coming to 18th bit, find the area. You need to find the area. This is trapezium, children. Is it a trapezium? Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what is the formula of area of trapezium, children?
Half into sum of parallel sides into
height. Very good, Nana. Sum of parallel. Very good. Sum of parallel sides are 24. Multiplied with the height is 7 by 2. 24, half of 24, 12. 12 multiplied 7 is?
84 meters square.
Very good. If you see the figure, you can remember, children. Trapezium, parallel sides, sum of parallel sides multiplied with height divided with 2. Next,
could you repeat the 16th question? I got disconnected.
8.5 plus 8.5.
Which bit, ma? Which bit?
16th on.
Yeah, 16th one, area of parallel. Here, what is the figure is given, right? Here, yes, base is given, but base is not given, children. By looking the picture, we can see this is a parallelogram. Parallel sides are equal, right? Parallel sides are equal. What is the base here? 6 centimeters. And the height of the... Yes, base into height.
Yes, ma'am.
6 fours are 24, right? 17th bit, height is given, children. Height is perpendicular distance. We are not taking slant height here. The perpendicular distance only we are considering as a height. So 1.8 meters. And 18th bit is trapezium. Trapezium, area of trapezium is sum of parallel sides multiplied with height by 2. So you are getting as 84. The same trapezium. Trapezium and trapezoid is the same meaning, children. Same terminology. Even they can use. Don't confuse what is trapezoid. No need of
scale. It will be half into 6.5 plus 8.5, which is 15 by 2 into 3, ma'am. So 45.
So it is
50. 45 yes, by 2. Half of 45 is 22.5 meters. Right, Nana. Right. Next, 2 bases. The two bases in a trapezoid must be always, parallel to each other.
Ma'am,
Very good.
parallel to yes, ma'am.
Right, children, parallel to each other. Multiplying by half is same as.
I'm dividing by 2.
Who is telling adding by 2?
Ma'am, I got
Multiplying by 2 is same as dividing by 2, children.
Yes, ma'am, I was saying that dividing by 2.
Yeah. Next 22, this is a rhombus. Diagonals are given, not diagonals, children. I think diagonals are given. The complete diagonal is 10 and other diagonal is 14. What is area of rhombus, children? You know the area of rhombus is?
28 into 10, which is, 28 into 20, which is 560 by 2. So 280.
I think here, no, wait, Nana. Here there is not a directly diagonal is given here. You need to take half of diagonal is.
Yes, ma'am, that's what I'm doing, ma'am. 28 into 20 by 2. So it's 560.
Correct, Nana, correct. So 28 into 20 by 2. That's 28 into 10 is 280 unit square. Right. Because if even I am confused with this bit, maybe you are also confused. You are taking a complete diagonal as 10, I think so.
Yes,
That's why if you are
like,
not, no answer in that, then ultimately you can think of alternative things, children. Same
yes,
thing
there's
occurred
no
here.
answer, ma'am. There's no answer.
Yeah. 23rd also same.
Doubt, because I think it's 350.88. Ma'am, it's showing
Okay,
wrong.
let me check. Rhombus here also 8.6 is given. 10.2. That means 10 plus 10, 20. 20.4. And 8 plus 8 is 16 and 17.2. 17.2 into 20.4 divide with 2 means we can take it as
like
direct.
Logic, ma'am. Like 20.4 into 17.2 last ending, it will be 8, ma'am. So it's only the D option.
Very good. I really appreciate you, Lalit. Good job. Very good. Right. What Lalit said, did you understand, children? Lalit said, ma'am, I'm just checking the back units place digit and there is no units place digits are equal, so that I'm directly going with my here 8.6, 17 point, how much, children? 17.2 into 10.2. So units place is?
Ma'am, not 10.2, ma'am, 20.4.
Units place is? Only? Yes, you just... Children, please mute yourself. Someone is asking, mute yourself, please. Children, you just see half of diagonals, right? Here, product of diagonals by 2. So, product of diagonals means here 20.4. 20.4 half means 10.2 only. You just make this part as 8.6 and 8.6. It's 17.2, right? I think you are doing, Lalit, how you will say as a D bit is option correct? I think so, no.
I'm wrong, ma'am, by 2, ma'am, that I forgot.
Yeah. That's you maybe forgot. Divide with the 2. Of course, you are checking only the units place for 2 times 8 you are checking, but it's not only units place you will get 4 there. I think option C is correct for 23rd, children. 23rd option C is correct, right. Even the same trick you can use here. You are divide with the 2, right? Next 24. 24, it's an area of figure. It's very simple. A square 25 square centimeters. And the other one is, what is area of rhombus?
60 centimeters square.
12
10 into 12 by 2 means 120 by 2.
10 into 6, 60. 60, yes, directly half of 6.
No, ma'am. Yes.
Right, Nana, 12 half means 6 only. 5 plus 5 is 10 times 6 are 6, right? Here it's a kite. Kite is also very interesting question. This is what is the area of kite, children? What is area of kite? Same formula what you are using for rhombus, same thing.
Ma'am, what if it was
The
different?
36 5 5s are 36
Ma'am, like what?
plus
Ma'am, what if
25 plus x square.
Yes.
33
No, children. Listen. There is a disturbance, please.
Multiplication
Mute your mic.
Ma'am,
6
Yes.
9 10 11
Some parent is helping. I'll really appreciate the parent. Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah. Good.
ma'am, what if it was
Because
different?
calculation part only children and students are doing mistake. Rest they can remember the thing. Only calculation need to take care.
Ma'am,
Here,
what is I was doing one triangle, the small one and the big triangle area in a combined.
Okay. The same answer you are getting.
Yes, ma'am, I got
Area
the same.
of kite is equal to PQ by 2.
Okay, base into height. Let me, he is giving wonderful idea here. I am dividing into two equal triangles, ma'am, so that base is 6 centimeters, 6 meters, and height is 4 meters for small triangle. And same for big triangle, height is 9 meters as well as the base is 6. Half base into height. Half base into height means half of 4 means 2, 2 into 6 means 12. 12 is
Ma'am,
1, yeah, 12.
Ma'am,
Same way here. 9 3s are 27.
Ma'am, 9 6 are 6. Ma'am.
No, 6. Half of you're supposed to do, right? Half base into height.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I directly doing, ma'am. Then 27 plus 12, 39. Got the same.
That's all. 39 meters square. It's option C is correct, right? We are doing the same thing, but here option C is only correct in 26th bit, right? You can do the method also, because congruent triangle, those are congruent. You can use. Ridhima, you just please, Yanaya, are you there? The figure, let me divide the figure. Very good, Nana. There are different ways of solving. Even you can use base into height there. Not base into height, half of d1 into d2. How you suppose? What answer you are getting? Please let me know.
You are getting the same answer.
Yeah, if you use how the diagonals are here, 9 plus 4, it's 13. 13 plus 13 multiplied with 6 by 2, 13 3 times 39.
39.
Yeah, same. 39. Yes. You can even use that. No need of going to take even the whatever done by the student idea is. I'll appreciate. Very good, Lalit. You can directly use diagonals, product of diagonals by 2, or else half of product of diagonals. Next, coming to the next one, what is formula for finding the area of rhombus? Rhombus is just we did E.
Ma'am,
I think no option, right, Nana? Right. You are good, because I can. Yeah, I can give one more option here. By mistake, it is happened. I supposed to take as I'll consider this. You are correct, children. You are correct. Next, what is the formula for finding area of parallelogram? Base into height. Parallelogram means base into its parallelogram is similar to rectangle, Nana. Similar to rectangle. So area of rectangle is length into breadth, whereas parallelogram is base into height. Remember the point. No need of keeping everything in your brain, children. Some figures you just correlate and keep with you. Rectangle and parallelogram are very, very similar, very, very closer. Rectangle area, very well, you know that length into breadth, whereas parallelogram is base into height. 29. Find
out, ma'am. Ma'am, look,
yes,
ma'am. Ma'am,
yes,
half into plus 11, which is 26 by 2, 13. 13 into 6
some
is...
of parallels. No,
Yes,
this is isosceles trapezium, right? Isosceles trapezium is more simpler, children. You can go with more and more simpler. Whatever trapezium formula is, sum of parallel sides multiplied with height by 2. Here, ma'am, why they gave 7 feet? Why 7 feet? They will give some extra information in figure, children. We are not using 7 feet here. Don't confuse. What are parallel sides? You just check it. 15 and 11. Sum of 15 and 11 is 26.
Yes,
26 by 2 is 26 by 2 is 13. 13 into 6 is 13
78,
into
ma'am.
6 is
78, ma'am. It's
right.
the C1, ma'am. But it shows the E1 is the correct answer, ma'am.
Of
Look,
course,
ma'am.
my children, sometimes in the question they will give some extra, we are not using, but you may thought, ma'am, whether I'm doing correct or not, I'm not using 7 here. Like that, you may get doubt as a younger ones, you may get many doubts. But extra stuff will be given, children. Don't panic for that. Let it be. You know, with
Ma'am,
confident with your formula, use your formula. Next.
Ma'am, he's not.
Ma'am, I'm not saying about that, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer was A, ma'am. It should be C. 70.
No, it's not A, children. It's a C only correct.
Ma'am,
13, 7,
like
13, 6 are 78. C only
Ma'am,
correct. You will get mark for that, children. Yes, yes. The option is given wrong here. 40 feet is given. It's wrong. 78 is correct. 29. I'll correct that part also. 30th.
Ma'am, can you scroll up once?
Yes, yes, ma. Yes, yes. Children, don't copy, children, everything in your visor.
Ma'am, how
You
is
have
it
all-
78 feet, ma'am?
Yeah, you just sum up the parallel sides, Nana. 15 plus 11, how much? 15 plus 11, how much? 24. 24 or 26, children? 26. Yes? Parallel sides, the sum of parallel sides is 26. Parallel sides means 15 feet and 11 feet. Those two are parallel sides, children. So 15 feet plus 11 feet together, it's 26 feet. What is formula of trapezoid? Sorry, it's perimeter, children. It's not area. Lalit.
Yes, ma'am,
Lalit.
it's 40 feet.
Lalit, see, there is, we people, we are confused. Answer is correct only, Lalit. Who is this asking the question? It's perimeter.
Ma'am, Abhinav.
It's not. Abhinav, you are correct. Very good. Your thing, very good. Abhinav, here the question is perimeter. We are discussing just before about area, but perimeter means just boundaries you have to add. 14 plus 26. 26, 36, 40. 40 feet only correct. Where is Lalit?
yes, ma'am.
Lalit, you are also thinking area, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because many areas make us complete area in our brain. So the question is perimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please, this is the one way of doing mistakes. What we are doing, same mistake will happen in the exams. Children, many questions. Just go through the question. Find perimeter, right? Right, Abhinav. Next, 30 bit. Half base into height, Nana. 4 into half of 4 is 2. 4.62 times.
9.2.
Right.
9.2 in square.
In square.
9.2 in square, right? There are two 9.2, but area it's 9.2 in square, right?
Ma'am, in full form is inches.
What, ma?
Means inches, right?
Inches, Nana. INCHES, inches. Yes, any other doubts, children?
No, ma'am.
Right. Shall we go with the next part? What is, children, I didn't discuss the part of, we are going with direct proportions and inverse proportions in next topic, children. What is direct proportion? What is inverse proportion?
And the direct proportion where two objects or two scenarios.
Ma'am, direct proportion
And the
the
other
ratio of them is constant. I mean, inverse like the multiplication.
One example, no need that thing. Practical example we will take. Suppose you are doing fast worksheet, you are doing fast means you will complete fast the worksheet. Yes or no? Is it one part if you are increasing speed of doing means what happened? You are finishing.
time also.
If ma'am, direct means like ma'am, like when the
Where the proportion.
One ratio is increasing means another quantity should be also increased.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Like the speed of a car is increasing and distance travel increases. Ma'am,
Yes,
like
very
in
good.
first
No,
question,
man, distance traveled.
No, he is telling the sentence is true, but destination time will be reduced. That we will discuss later, ma. That is indirect proportion. Very good, very good. The same question we can take in two ways. As what the boy said, Lalit said, if speed increases, the traveling distance also will cover more distance. That is one way. And the speed and the time, if you take a speed, the destination time is reduced, right, children? If you increase the speed of, suppose I want to travel 450 kilometers. If I increased my speed, means the destination time reach to takes less, right, children? If I increase the speed, indirect proportion. Very good, very good.
ma'am, like
If you practice all chapters of mathematics, you will score nice marks in the examination. You'll score more. That is what proportion. It's a direct proportion. Here you are practicing, there you are getting some good score.
ma'am, like 2 weeks ago, my maths exam, like weekly test happened for 25 marks.
Completed. Then you come. Did you get your result, Lalit?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your scores?
Ma'am, I got 24, ma'am.
Out of?
25, ma'am.
Where you lost that 1 mark?
Ma'am, like the half mark, ma'am, like what happened, ma'am, like 12 sheets were 440 gram. Ma'am, like I thought 12 sheets 400 grams, so then the direct inverse became wrong. But the steps were right, so ma'am, it was 2 marks, so I scored 1.5. Ma'am, in another, like the other half mark went in some light terms. Like, ma'am, it's some equation.
That is your experience. Next time when you are doing that, experience will help you. You won't do such a mistakes again, children. That is, children, always when you are doing your question paper, if you make any mistakes, please correct those. Where we are doing, question yourself. Wherever you are doing same mistakes, you will question yourself. Then you never repeat such a mistake again. Yes, shall we start direct and indirect proportions, children? Yes, basic part we will discuss 1 or 2 basic things. Then we will start in next class. Original concept, children.
Like about this chapter after we discuss the basic part, because ma'am, we already know this.
Which one, Lalit? Can you please repeat?
Ma'am, like after we discuss the basic part, we can do a little bit quiz on this chapter, because ma'am, like
sure. Yes, in this basic only we will go. Let me teach 15 minutes, children. Today we didn't go with any part of learning, so that we will go with 15 minutes. Seriously, we'll go with that concept. Then based on that only, I'll give 10 questions test for you. So next topic is direct and indirect proportions. Direct and indirect proportions. Or inverse proportions. Indirect or inverse, Nana. You can use inverse proportions. Inverse proportions. Direct proportions, many bits you did in your lower classes. I think class 6 ratios and proportions, comparing quantities, you did many bits. I will give one example with you, children. I'll share with you.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I made one. We had a project, ma'am, in that we had to make one PPT of 10 examples of each.
Okay.
Can I print that?
PPT, you want to show with us?
Yes, 10 examples of direct.
But please, Nitya, please, can you repeat? I didn't get your voice properly, Nitya. You are showing something, you are telling about your PPT.
direct and inverse proportion, some examples here.
Oh, it is with you right now? It is ready with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I will share the host controls. Please share the screen. Come on. Where is the part, the control part, children? Security, I suppose to say. Yeah, please, you can share right now, ma.
Ma'am, 1 second.
I will stop share. You can share right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, children.
Ma'am, if you stop.
Ratios and proportion. Yeah. Nitya, are you doing? I'm
Yes,
waiting
ma'am, I
here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right, Nitya. Yeah, please start with the direct proportion. Yeah, please read louderly. Any one of you, please, who have network, I am unable to hear Nitya's voice properly.
Ma'am, can I
Who
read
are
now?
going to read? Yanaya is there. 1 minute, children. I'll call
Yes,
other
ma'am.
students. Yeah, please read the direct proportions examples,
ma'am.
please.
Direct proportion. The number of family members are directly expenditures. The number of fruit in kg directly proportional to price of the fruit. The number of
Very
selling
good.
products directly proportional to the profit. A distance covered by body directly proportional to speed of body. The acceleration
Okay.
produced in car directly proportional to change in velocity. The income is directly proportional to working hours. The cost of electrical bill directly proportional to numbers of fans running in the house. The quantity of water filled in tank is directly to time for which the motor is switched on. The marks in study is directly proportional to hard working. The bank balance is directly proportional to amount of saving.
Thank you so much, Nitya. Nice things you are adding here, lively examples. Very good. Yeah, next, wait, ma. Inverse proportion. Bhavya, can you please read inverse proportion examples?
Yes, ma'am. Inverse proportion. The blank balance is inversely proportional to expenditures. The number of family members are inversely proportional to amount of saving. The working days required to complete the work are inversely proportional to the number of labors. The velocity of body is inversely proportional to time. The acceleration is inversely proportional to time. The acceleration of a body is inversely proportional to a mass of body. The number of students fail in the class inversely proportional to the number of qualified teachers and hard work. The battery power is inversely proportional to the time for which it is used. The ability of working hard is inversely proportional to the age of a man after youngness to onward. The number of mistakes in work is inversely proportional to practice.
Very good. Nice the examples you are bringing. Very good, Nitya. Thank you so much, Nitya. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Ma'am, like this chapter is one of the easiest chapters.
Yeah, inverse proportion ratios always you already completed, children. Direct proportions you completed in your class 6, class 7 continuously we are doing, and inverse proportions only, but it is very simple and easiest concept, children. No need of worry. Basic things we will go with right now. Basic exercise. Let me take a few things. Yeah. Children, we can directly a few examples. Already she added many. One of if you deposit money in the bank, it increased. The simple interest earned will increase. Yes or no, children? If you deposit, money in the bank increases, the simple interest earning is also increased or decreased.
Increase, ma'am.
Yes. So what proportion it is?
The more money
It is
you put, the more money, the more simple
direct
interest.
proportion. Yes. Direct proportion. There are many situations in lively examples we have, children. We'll go with a few examples here. A vessel, or else the cost of 27 balls is, a few examples only directly we will go, children. Cost of 27 balls is, cost of 27 balls is given here. 1215. And how many balls can you brought for rupees? For rupees 2,250. How many number of balls you can purchase with this amount?
Ma'am,
Yes,
27
children.
balls is equal to, can you say again?
So these unknown balls, we can take it as X, children. You can use ratios and proportion direct.
The cost of
Ma'am, can you how much money, ma'am? Attending?
2,200. Are you able to see my screen, children? No?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
1 minute, children. I thought I'm sharing with you. Sorry. Just a minute, children. I'll share with you. I thought I'm sharing and I'm writing continuously on screen. Just a minute. Come on, children. Cost of 27 balls is 1215. For rupees 2250, how many balls you can purchase?
Number of, ma'am, first you have to make a table. In that number of balls, 27
No need, children. Direct proportion you can use, right? 27 balls, the amount is 1215. We don't know number of balls, the amount is 2250. Come on to solve this value of x. What you should do, children? You should multiply 27 with the 2250, divide with 1215. You will get x value. Cross multiplication. Product of means equal to product of extremes. 1215 x equal to 27 multiplied with 2250. If I want x value, I need to divide both sides with 1215. So 1215, you will get cancelled. You will get x. Very good, ma. This is 1, sir. No. 12 and 15 means how many, which table it will go, children?
12 and 15, ma'am, 3 table.
3 4s are 12. Don't write 5 directly. 3 4 not 5. You're taking two numbers together. 9. Again.
Ma'am, 50 balls, ma'am, got the answer.
9 1s are, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. 45 1s are 45. 45 2 times 90, 180. And 180 plus 45. 6 times 5 times kadana. How many balls you are purchasing? 50 balls. 5 times. So 50 balls you are purchasing for rupees 2250. Any doubt over here, children? Simplification part you should be little aware, or else the rest of the things that everything is easy here.
No,
what, ma? Shall I give like that 1 or 2 bits, children? You can try, children. Please solve, practice in your book. Yeah, how much money must be paid for rupees 34 kilograms of salt? 4K. 1 minute, children. I'll write on screen. How much money must be paid for rupees 34 kilograms of salt if 4 kgs cost 37 rupees? 4 kgs cost rupees 37. 4 kgs cost rupees 37. You need to find 34 kgs. You need to find 34 kgs. Unknown thing take as x, children. It's a direct proportion.
Ma'am, 4
direct.
by 37.
Very good. 37 into 34 by 4. Come on, what's the value you are getting here? Please tell.
Yes.
I'm 629.
Where is it? 629 rupees. Very good. Who is giving children? Ridhima, you are correct. 34 into 37 by 4. 2 times. Yes, half of 34
Ma'am,
is
I'm getting 314, ma'am. 314.
17 into 37 divided. Decimal point you will get, I think so.
Ma'am, it's
Yes, ma'am.
314.5.
314.5 I'm getting, ma'am. 314.
Yes, correct. You are correct. Because here a lot units digit is 7. It's a decimal point. Definitely you will decimal only you will get children.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is the answer? Simplified answer you're supposed to give children.
Ma'am, 314.5
Yes, ma'am. 314.5.
rupees.
Right. Kgs. What is the cost of 34 kgs? 314.5
5.
rupees. Next. How many oranges can be brought for rupees 420 at the rate of 105 per dozen? Suppose 1 dozen means how many quantity, how many children? 1 dozen means
12.
Ma'am, how many
yes.
oranges bought?
Rupees 105 for rupees 420. How many oranges your parents will suppose you? Just practical examples I'm giving, none. I'm not taking from textbook. Some general questions. 1 dozen oranges cost rupees 105. I have rupees 420. How many oranges I can purchase with that 420 rupees? Yes. So what I should do? 1 dozen means 12 things you have to take.
Ma'am,
12 oranges.
420
4 dozens.
105.
It will be 48.
Very good. 12 fours are 48. 48 oranges are 4 dozens. Both are same. Right.
Ma'am, the answer is 1875 rupees.
1875 oranges.
No, ma'am,
No,
5875.
ma'am, it's 1 dozen. I mean 4 dozens.
I didn't ask rupees only.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
please
it's
simplify.
875 rupees.
Okay. 4 times now. Directly 420, 412, 4 are 48 oranges means you will get 4 dozens, 12 dozens. Right. Next, one more application. A man walks 46 kilometers in 3 days, Nana. A man walks 46 kilometers in 3 days. In 3 days, how much he is walking, children? 40. Are you walking regularly, children? Do some exercise, some kind of exercises, please do, children. Makes you more healthier. A man walks 3 days, 46 kilometers. In how many days will he cover 115 kilometers? 115 kilometers. How many days? Yes. 115 kilometers. In how many days will he cover? If he walks uniform speed, children, he is not taking more speed. Condition is given. He is traveling with the same uniform speed. Very good. Come on, children. Unknown thing take as x. Whatever known things, you just 115 multiplied with the 3 by 46. So here, which table you can
7.5
cancel?
days. 7.5 days.
7.5 days takes time to travel 115 kilometers if he walks uniform speed. The condition is given, children, or else it will go with indirect proportion. If he is not walking as a uniform speed means we can't do this as a same method. Next.
I didn't get 7.5 days. Ma'am, I got 7.
Yes, correct. 7 and
Ma'am, I got 7.06 days.
that's all, children. These are the simple things we are discussing. The next class we will go with a little complex sums like suppose 45 men can do a piece of work in 6 days. If men can finish the same work in 10 days means how you're supposed to calculate how many men can. Yeah, that questions are indirect proportions. We'll see in next class. It will come under time and work. There is a very interesting chapter, children. You have time and work. Each and every competitive examinations, we are having one of two topics in that. You want to do ratios, small direct proportions.
Direct proportion is nothing.
Yeah, I will give in a small quiz of 10 questions, children. Please do direct proportions right now. The same method what we are using.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me take 1 minute, children. I'm sharing screen. Yeah, everyone's supposed to join. I can see Lalit, Abhinav, Divyesh, Inaya, Ridima, Harshita is not there. Yeah, I'm sharing, children. How many questions you want to, children? 10 questions. Shall we go with the 10 questions or 15 questions, children? Yes, 10 questions we will go right now.
Ma'am, 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's 10 questions we can. No, it's not a library we can take. One minute, children. It takes its. Yes, coming. Yes, coming. Just a minute. I'm coming. Yeah, I'm sharing link with you. Yes, wait, Anish, I'm coming. Children, did you get link? Please check once. In your chart, please check once. Please join. Yeah, please join. Children. Please join.